Hi, hello friends. I am Arun from Main Sparks. In this video, we will see about the one of the Maruti vehicle recently accidented in GC road. They can put in between Ford EcoSport and also rear with the large truck. That's why it can affected heavily. But it will be affected by huge impact of safeguard. That safeguard couldn't control it. That's why airbags couldn't open. So in the build persons can injured a little bit. This we can avoid safeguards in front of the vehicles and also rear of the vehicles. It can affect the impact sensor. That's why airbag couldn't open in the vehicle in inside. We avoid that and also keep the lane and also reduce your speed in traffic condition. Obey the government rules and regulation as per the country. It will improve or avoid accident. If the accident is held between some other persons or some other vehicles with our vehicles, we can immediately contact safety guards like police, fire engines, and also tampable vehicles. It can improve